This is the 4th day of finger detangling my hair after taking down my mini twist. I am thoroughly finger detangling with conditioner before I cleanse and transition my hair into another style.
I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through.
This is what I have to do before I allow any tools to run through my hair to prevent breakage.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then
I will be running this recording in real time so you can see just the amount of time it takes to detangle one single section.
All of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
I'm just going and going. I can actually feel all the tangles locked into my hair. That's why I'm just steadily and gently finger detangling and fanning my hair out, spreading each individual strand. I'm trying to feel each individual strand by itself, if just for a moment. And that's how I know my hair is fully detangled, with no knots, no tangles. Essentially, I'm unlocking the shed hairs out. And then it's safe to use a brush or comb or pick.
Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
I am also using a sharp needle to get those tough knots out to prevent breakage. This is the main area I have my breakage from combing out my locks recently, and it's making my hair look layered, which is kind of neat. I kind of like that. So this is the shortest part of my hair right here. The front is also shorter than the back layers, so it's giving me a nice layered look when my hair is styled. I finally got through this piece of hair. I'm not feeling any more knots or tangles, and the brush is gliding right through. It's time to twist.